Hey guys, welcome back to the lip declutter. Today we're going to go on with lip liners. So we're just going to go ahead and just, start going through them. Hopefully we'll be able to get through all of them. So let's just start. This one is from Colourpop. This is in Top Down. And I think I'm just going to, like outline the lips a little bit and just, I'm not going to fill in the full lip. That is a really pretty shade. I think I'm going to keep that one. I feel like it's not going to focus because my lips aren't going to be like full. They're going to not think I'm a person. I love the Colourpop lip liners. I think they're so nice. This is Colourpop and Barbie. This one's in Dream House. I don't know if it's a bit too light. No, I think it's okay. I'll keep that one as well. This is another Kylie one. This is in Oh Dear. That's stunning. This is part of a lip kit. Keep that one. Oh, we're not going too well on this one yet. We have another Kylie one. This is in You Glow Girl. I think I'll keep that one as well. Oh my god. I've got a couple of Morphe ones in here. Oh, this is a Morphe brow pencil. I don't know how that ended up in there, but I'm going to declutter that as well anyway. So I've got two Morphe ones in here. I have Trendsetter and Love Bite. Trendsetter is the deeper one and Love Bite is the lighter one, so I'm going to get rid of both of those. Another Colourpop in Bumble. Oh my god, did I forget to take that off? Yeah, I'll keep that. That's nice. This is Laura Mercier in Red Velvet. I'm going to declutter that one, and I don't really love the formula of them. They're not super smooth. This is Glamlight and Michaela. It doesn't have a shade. I'll get rid of that as well. It's just a bit too light. I hope this video is in focus. I think they're mainly all Colourpops now. This is Full Speed. That's real pretty. That can stay. This is Colourpop and Barbie in Golden Beach. It's also really nice. It's a little bit light, but I like it. This is Colourpop in I Heart This. That can stay. Really pretty. This is Colourpop in Bid Shetty. I feel like I said that wrong. It's real pretty. Colourpop just, I feel like, do the nicer shades. I don't know, they just do really nice shades. So this is Colourpop in Overtime. I feel like they're all kind of similar. Not all of them, but you know what I mean. I'll keep that one for now. Colourpop in Bossy can stay. This was Colourpop in On Ice. That can stay as well. This is a Kylie one in Candy K. Yeah, I think it's okay. That can stay. Colourpop in BFF2 can also stay. It's real pretty. Then we have Kylie in Autumn. Oh, I can't tell if I like this or not. Yeah, it's nice. I'm gonna keep it. I've gone with, like, obviously there's like such a neutral look today because I don't have like any eyeshadow on, and I feel like it's bad because I feel like most things are match. Anyway, I have one more Colourpop one in Frenchie. I might get rid of that one. I feel like it's a little bit orangey, you know. And then the last one that we have here is Peaches and Cream, and this one is in Borderline. I love this one. Yeah, it's so nice. Okay, guys. So we actually did pretty bad that round, I'm not gonna lie. So we got rid of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So not many at all, actually. And then we kept 15. We kept 16. So yeah, we didn't do too great that round. But anyway, that's fine. Okay, guys. That is every single lip product in the working my way through my makeup collection. Wonder if we should start on the main collection. I'm just gonna have a quick look and see what I've got. Okay, these are all of the lip liners that are in my makeup collection at the moment. So we'll just start swatching some. If we get through the rest of them, we'll do. If not, no biggie. Okay, the first one I have here is from Peaches and Cream, and this is in Rosebud. And I love this shade. I think it's so pretty. Super pretty. Keep that one. I don't know if I'll get rid of any of these. I honestly don't even know what's like actually in my collection at the moment. This is Colourpop in BFF. This is one of my faves. So pretty, just a real nice brown. This is Barbie and Glamlight, and these are so annoying. They don't have colour, like shade names on them. This is the first one. It's really pretty. This is like the blue one. I don't think they have this collection anymore anyway, but this is a P. Louise one in Luscious Love. Stunning. Love it. This is Glamlight and Rick and Morty, and it doesn't have a shade name. Real pretty though. That can stay. This is the Morphe and Ashley Strong one in Tourmaline Soul. It is pretty, but it's like that one there. I'll get rid of her. This is the Jacqueline one in Chai Tea. I'll get rid of her as well. This is Colourpop in 951. Super pretty. Love it. P. Louise in Treat Week. Also love. This is Kylie in Booked and Busy. That's all pretty too. This is the Glamlight and Ghostface one. Is it really blank? Is that a lip liner? It's like a really, really dark brown. I have used it before. I just don't know if I'll use it like on the reg. I'm honestly probably going to get rid of her. I don't want to because it's Ghostface, so it's really cool, but it's just a little bit too deep. This is Glamlight and Friday the 13th. It's real pretty. This is Colourpop Brink. Yeah, I like that. Or do I? No, I like it, I think. The thing about lip liners is I feel like even if you don't super love them, like as long as you put something nice on top, like you can get away with it, you know? So I feel like they're a little bit harder to declutter. This is another Barbie and Glamlight one. This is the pink lip kit. Super pretty. Okay, we have Morphe and Ashley Strong in Gilded Spirit. That one there, which I'll get rid of. Have another Colourpop in Boys Town. Love this one. Super pretty. Kylie in 20. Super pretty. Colourpop in Control. Real pretty as well. Hope you guys can see these. I know I'm like kind of going through them pretty quick, but have another P. Louise in Sugar Coated. I do like it. It's very light. You can stay for now. And I've got a few left. This is Jacqueline in Macaron. That one there. Get rid of her. We have Kylie in Posy K. Or Posy. So pretty. This is the Glamlight and Barbie one. This is the yellow lip kit. Pretty. Well, last one is another Kylie one in Moon. This is so old. Moon's one of my favourites from Kylie. Sorry guys, camera cut out and stopped recording, so I don't know where we're up to, but we got rid of 5 and we kept 18. So, not the best effort, but also like 18 lip liners isn't that bad, you know what I mean? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We will have the next part coming up very soon. We just have to do lip glosses, lipsticks, and liquid lipsticks now, and then we're done. This series has taken so long. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!